This is the emergency alert system. The zombie alert has been canceled. You no longer have to worry about zombies. You can go outside and talk to the people on the street. They are not zombies. They are not zombies. There was some confusion. We are only census workers. We need you to fill out forms. There was lots of confusion. There's some type of confusion. The people on the street are not zombies. There is no such thing as zombies. Please go outside and talk to the guy at your door. He is just a census worker, and he wants to know how many people are in your home. Thank you for your cooperation.